It is an axiom that power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Hindi totoo na kung taga-developing country ka, mas madali kang magnakaw nang sa taga-developed country ka. The truth of the matter is that corruption is more widespread in developing countries simply because of poverty, low public sector salaries, little accountability, and poorly enacted laws and principles of ethics. Notwithstanding the plethora of laws passed by the Philippines against corruption, it has become institutionalized and accepted. Corruption in our country is not necessarily associated with the country's intent to be unethical or immoral. Rather, corruption is thematic because it has become a routine practice in the conduct of daily business. This is why it is of the utmost importance to choose the best possible president and other national officials in the 2016 election. Many studies show that one of the most critical aspects of culture is the moral tone and examples set by leadership. Unfortunately, unethical leaders tend to attract more attention than unethical ones, and unethical leaders tend to influence employee behavior. Kaya napakahalaga itong ating darating na halalan dahil ang leadership, ang pinaka-leader, kung sa tuktok, siya, pangkaraniwan, ang nagdidikta ng klima ng ating lipunan. Kung bang matino yung leader na yon, magiging matino din yung kasamahan niya. Pero kung paubaya, pwedeng hindi siya nanakaw, pero yung iba pinapabayaan niya magnakaw. Anong klaseng gobyerno yon? As members of the educated sector of society, it is your duty to examine with logic and reason the various candidates who present themselves. Naglalakbasan na sila eh. Tatakbo daw silang presidente. O di titigan natin sila mabuting-mabuti. Authorities say that if we give power to the people, they're able, more than others, to enact moral identity, meaning to do what is right. The best way to identify the best president is to develop a sense of moral identity, meaning the degree to which you think it is important to your sense of self to be caring, compassionate, fair, generous, etc., shaped by your response to feelings of power. Ang importante sa alala na ganito, yung sarili nating kalooban. Kung sa tingin natin, napaka-importante na maging honest ang tao. Maski hindi siya gwapo, nakamukha ng artista. Maski hindi siya sports star. Maski matamlay lang sa magsalita. Pero makikita mo sa mukha at sa pagkilos niya, at lalo na sa kanyang record, kanyang curriculum vitae, na magaling pala siya, hindi siya iboto natin. Huwag tayo magpadala-dala ng mga